Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC P0777, refers to an issue with the continuously variable transmission, CVT, in the Honda HR-V models from 2016 to 2022. Specifically, it indicates that the driven pulley pressure control solenoid valve is stuck in the on position. This component plays a critical role in regulating the pressure applied to the CVT, which in turn affects how power is transmitted from the engine to the wheels. If the solenoid valve is defective, it might prevent the transmission from operating properly, leading to a variety of performance issues. The valve is typically located within the valve body assembly of the transmission. When this error code appears, it signals the need for careful diagnostics to avoid unnecessary repairs and ensure the safe operation of the vehicle. DTC P0777 refers to the CVT-driven pulley pressure control solenoid valve being stuck in the on position. The valve body assembly holds the critical components of the CVT, and the solenoid valve's primary role is to control hydraulic pressure. If this solenoid fails by being stuck, it can lead to poor acceleration or other performance issues. The valve's specific location within the valve body assembly makes it a bit challenging to reach without disassembling parts of the transmission. Understanding the role of the solenoid gives insight into how critical it is for overall drivability. Therefore, accurately diagnosing the cause behind this DTC is essential before proceeding with repairs. Several possible causes could lead to the activation of DTC P0777. One major cause is a faulty solenoid valve itself, which may have failed due to wear or internal failure. Another possibility is issues related to the transmission fluid. If the fluid is contaminated or low, it can disrupt the operation of the solenoid. Additionally, mechanical failures within the transmission, such as worn-out components or debris, could hinder its proper functioning. Each of these issues should be thoroughly evaluated to identify the root cause of the problem. Ignoring these causes may result in further damage or failure of the transmission system. Drivers may experience a variety of symptoms if DTC P0777 is present. One common symptom is poor acceleration, as the transmission struggles to provide adequate power. This can be particularly noticeable during startup or when trying to maintain speed. Additionally, transmission slipping could occur, where the vehicle unexpectedly loses power or RPMs increase without a corresponding rise in speed. Various warning lights may also be triggered on the dashboard, indicating an issue with the transmission system. Identifying these symptoms early on is crucial to avoid further complications. Observing these signs should prompt immediate diagnostics and potential repairs. In the first troubleshooting step for DTC P0777, you need to check the transmission fluid level and condition. Start the engine and allow it to warm up to normal operating temperature, specifically until the radiator fan cycles on twice. Once the engine is warm, verify that the transmission is filled to the correct level, which is essential for optimal operation. During this process, inspect for any visible fluid leaks that may compromise the transmission's effectiveness. After this, it's crucial to drain the transmission fluid, HCF2, through the strainer and inspect it closely for any metal debris or excessive clutch material. Finding debris can indicate significant internal wear and may necessitate replacing the transmission. The second step involves checking for DTCs using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. First, turn the vehicle to the on mode and clear the existing DTC. This reset allows you to assess the condition of the system after any repairs or inspections. Following the reset, conduct a test drive in drive mode until the vehicle reaches a speed of approximately 37 miles per hour, 60 kilometers per hour. After slowing down, Accelerate again back to 37 miles per hour to thoroughly evaluate the system's performance. Finally, turn the engine off and repeat the test drive to confirm the results. After this sequence, check for any pending or confirmed DTCs using the HDS, which will help determine whether the issue persists. In the third troubleshooting step, analyze the DTC results obtained after the test drive. If the HDS indicates that DTC P0777 is still present, it confirms that the issue with the CVT-driven pulley pressure control solenoid valve has occurred again. In this case, the next step is to replace the valve body assembly, as the solenoid valve is likely faulty. This assembly is integral to the CVT, and its failure can significantly affect vehicle performance. On the other hand, if no DTC is present, but the freeze data is recorded, it may indicate an intermittent failure. In this scenario, it is advisable to try and reproduce the failure under the same conditions noted in the freeze data. After completing repairs associated with DTC P0777, it is essential to verify that everything is functioning correctly. Start by test driving the vehicle under various conditions to ensure that performance has returned to normal. During or after the test drive, check for any reappearance of DTCs using the HDS. This step verifies whether the repair was successful and that no additional issues are present. Additionally, confirm that the transmission fluid is at the appropriate level and in good condition, which is necessary for the overall health of the transmission. This step helps ensure longevity and reliability of the vehicle. If everything checks out, the repairs can be considered complete. To prevent issues like DTC P0777 from arising in the future, routine maintenance is critical. Regularly check the transmission fluid level and condition, ensuring it meets manufacturer specifications. Keeping fluid quality high helps maintain transmission performance and can prevent wear on the solenoid valve and other critical components. Schedule periodic inspections of the transmission system to identify potential issues early. This proactive approach can save time and money in repairs. Remember, the CVT is a complex system, and regular maintenance leads to better performance and extends the lifespan of the vehicle. DTC P0777 indicates a problem with the CVT-driven pulley pressure control solenoid valve that can lead to various performance issues in the Honda HR-V. Diagnosing this code requires systematic steps, from checking transmission fluid to performing test drives and analyzing results from the HDS. Recognizing the symptoms early on is crucial for enacting timely repairs and mitigating further damage. Following the troubleshooting steps leads to a clear understanding of what components may be faulty and how to address them effectively. Lastly, adhering to a strict preventive maintenance schedule will contribute to the longevity and reliability of the vehicle's transmission system. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.